I'm gonna teach you how to make this particle disintegration in After Effects without plugins. You can download this project file in the description down below. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year. Day 41 of 365. Bring your logo to your composition. I'm gonna resize this. Let's pre-compose this logo. So press Ctrl-Shift-C, select here, and this will be our logo. So in the future we can change the logo and the effect will still working. We have to create a gradient, make a new solid layer with Ctrl-Y. Let's call this gradient and let's add the effect gradient ramp. There you go. Basically this white part will be where the disintegration will start. So I want this to start from the top. And the black part is where it will end. So I want this to be a little gross, like this. And also select here the radial ramp to give it a better look. We can hide the gradient layer. Now select our logo and let's add the effect shatter. There you go. So now we have this effect. Select here first of all rendered. You will see this little animation, our logo now breaks. So go here to shape and let's change the bricks to glass. So now we have like a glass shape. Increase the repetitions. This will increase the copies of this glass and decrease the extrusion depth to 0. This will also make this to render faster. We have this for the moment. Now we have to select the gradient, so go here gradients and select our gradient layer. Select effects and masks, so it also selects here the gradient ramp effect. And let's go to the beginning of the composition, make a keyframe for shatter threshold, move forward and increase the threshold to 100%. And now let's see what happens. So it starts breaking from top to bottom. You already have a pretty nice looking effect here. If you want it, you can keep it like that. But I want this to go upwards. So let's change some things. First, go here to physics. I want the gravity to go up. So change the gravity direction to 0. And now you'll see it will start to go up instead of down. But it's like almost like it's explode. So I want all the particles to go up from the beginning. Go here to force 1, select the position and move the position like here at the bottom. So all the particles go up. You can see here it doesn't get all the logo, so we have to increase the radius until it covers the entire logo. There you go. The gravity is like too strong, so let's decrease the gravity to 1 and let's see. That's better. And for a extra detail and last touch, let's change the randomness to 0.2 and the viscosity to 0.2 also. So this is the look of the effect. There you go. But we can still add some things to make this even better. First, let's add a little drop shadow. Add drop shadow effect and increase the distance and the softness. I'm gonna increase the distance to 50 and the softness to 100. So now all the particles have like a shadow. And also the last effect we're going to add is a motion blur. So add the CC Force motion blur. This will take a while to render, but it's worth it. It will make this effect so much better. Here we have our result. As I told you earlier, we can go to this pre-composition and here we can change the logo. So we can add this, I don't know, the NVIDIA logo. And let's preview this, but without these effects. So it renders today and not tomorrow. Here you see the NVIDIA logo and you can change to any logo you want, any image, anything. You can find this project file in the description down below. You can download it for free. And that's all for today's tutorial. See you in the next video. See ya.